Hello guys, how are you? This is a new video with the Cyber with Khalifa. Today we're gonna talk about ingesting log from Windows to Splunk, and we're gonna talk about like a real installation, not like an installation to just ingest few log. We're gonna talk about a really complicated installation with add-on, with universal forward, and to be able to ingest multiple log, not just security log or all of those things that you see in YouTube. So first of all, I'm gonna start with schema here to explain to you how we're gonna do this, and after we're gonna pass to the practical lab. Uh, the same episode. I'm not gonna do this in several episodes, so I I told myself it's more it's like more simple like this. So let's get started. So to ingest log from Windows, like here, to Splunk, we have to do steps, 2 to 3 steps. Okay. So like I told you in the last episode, that to ingest log from any endpoint to Splunk, we need either the universal forward or the heavy forward. And for this episode, we're gonna choose the universal forward. Okay. And why I choose this? Because it's the simplest way to ingest Windows log. Okay, because we're gonna just install an agent, and we're able to install an agent in Windows, and it's really simple. Okay, so a lot of companies and enterprise use this way, and for me it's the best way for Windows. And also we have add-on an application in Splunk that support Windows log that I'm gonna show you in the next minutes. So we're gonna pass from our universal forward to our index, okay, and after to our search head. Okay, our search head is our Splunk GUI, okay, interface, graphic interface. Okay, so I'm gonna just delete this, and here this is our search head and our indexer in the same time, because I did a standalone installation, but I'm gonna show you in other episode how we're gonna do like a really complete with the separate things. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, we're gonna, like I said, first of all install the universal forward. Okay, after this, in Windows we're gonna configure the output log. Okay, the output log conf. This output conf, you're gonna say to Windows, send those log to this index, and also we're gonna configure here the input conf also. Okay, to say to our index that you're gonna receive logs from this endpoint. Okay, this is the most critical and the most important, because I spent days searching the problem, and it was just a little problem about input conf and output conf. I'm gonna show you this after, and the same way here. Okay, so it's important here to do this. So let's get started here. Really simply, I'm gonna go to my virtual machine here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our Splunk. We're gonna go Splunk forward, universal forward download. Okay, we're gonna go here and download our universal forward. You have to log in, okay, from this, and after you log in, you're gonna be able to install your universal forward, and you're gonna have this file, Splunk forward. You're gonna install it. Okay, I'm gonna do this with you. I'm gonna go open. It has been already installed, but you're gonna do the same way that I did. you're gonna put this. You're gonna install this. After this, we're gonna go directly to our system. We're gonna go directly to output conf. Edit this in Notepad. Okay, this is our output. Okay, we're gonna say to our universal forward, I want to send the log to here. Okay, we're gonna send the log here. We're gonna put this in our output.conf. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go to our server. This is my server. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go to forwarding and receiving. Okay, configure receiving and open the 997. And I'm gonna show you something a little bit how I did this in the command line. Okay, so I'm gonna connect to my machine. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go to cd of Splunk. It's apps search local. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I have input conf. Okay, it's where I'm receiving my logs from. Where? Okay, the input. Okay, so I'm gonna do nano input at conf. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Be sure that I have this. We can do this either from the command line or the graphic interface, but I prefer doing this from the command line. It's more simple. After installing this, be sure that you open all the port 997 in your machine. For me, I did this in my Azure. So don't do this. Don't do like me, because I opened all the port, but it's just for test. Okay, guys, calm down. It's just for test. So after this, where we're gonna go, we open ports, config input.conf. After this, you're gonna go to your machine. Okay, and you're gonna install add-on Microsoft for Windows. Okay, this add-on is gonna give us the ability to ingest a lot of logs, not just security log. Okay, so you're gonna install this. You're gonna have file like this, SPL file. You're gonna come here. So I'm gonna show you. It's better. You're gonna have something like this, SPL. Okay, you're gonna come here and change it to .tar.gz. Okay, you're gonna open this application. Okay, you're gonna come here. You're gonna open another one. 1 second. You're gonna open another one, and you're gonna go to our system. We're gonna go to our system. I think. No, we're gonna go to our. 1 second. Bear with me, guys. I think my machine is crashing. Never mind. Okay, 1 second. So after you, 1 second, I'm gonna connect again because it's not working. Okay, I'm gonna connect to my machine. Yes. Okay, we give this seconds. Okay, we're gonna go here again, and we go to Etsy apps, and you're gonna take this and put it here. You're gonna go directly to default. Here we don't have local, but you're gonna use directly in the default, and you go to your input. Okay, edit with Notepad, and you have your input.conf. Here you're gonna ingest whatever you want. Okay, you just come here and put disable from in front of the disable 0. Okay, so here you activate this. Another point, important point, you need to create an index to your logs. Okay, you go here, indexes, and create an index for your logs. For me, I create a Windows. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I create this in my server. I'm coming here. I'm gonna see my yes. I create an application so I can put all my config. Okay. So I go to indexes.conf. Sorry, indexes.conf, and you do like this. Okay, it's important to add disabled. You put your code path, home path, your total size, etc. All of these important things. You can just duplicate to one from this and just change your path. Okay, you put Windows and the name of the the name of your index. After this, you come here. After creating your index, you come here. I'm gonna do something with you guys. I'm gonna show you nano index.conf. I'm gonna come here, create a new index. I'm gonna name this index. One second. One second, because I don't want to. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this right now. I'm gonna try to like this. Okay, I'm gonna copy. No, I'm not gonna change. One second. I think I'm gonna open a terminal, a normal terminal, because this one is, yeah. I think this one is better. I'm gonna connect to my machine. Okay, SSH. Okay. I'm gonna go to history and go to nanoindex.conf. I'm gonna copy this. One second. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna change this to endpoint. You have also to change this here. Endpoint. Endpoint. And endpoint. Just I'm gonna put this in a normal way. Control X, Y. Okay. After this, we're gonna come here. We're gonna go to our indexes. You are not gonna find this, okay? I'm just showing you. You're not gonna find this. We don't have endpoint, but I'm gonna show you how you're gonna find it, because you need to refresh. Go here and we do debug refresh. We refresh our server. Okay. We refresh our server. After this, we come here and we gonna see our new index here, and its name is endpoint, and it's active. Okay. After adding your endpoint, you're gonna go to you're gonna come back here, and we're gonna add like this. You're gonna add our index here, so he's gonna send to our index windows. Okay. After this, you're gonna come here, refresh your Splunk forward. Okay. And you go to your Splunk Enterprise, go your search reporting or your application. I also said it's better to do this with your application. You're gonna first of all see if we have. You're gonna see the internal logs and see stats count by host. And here we have our endpoint. Okay, this means we have logs. Okay, and Windows we have our logs with all all things that we choose. And like I said here, it's really simple. We have to come here, install a universal forward. specific input conf by the application, the add-on. Okay, Windows output that conf, and we're gonna the IP of our indexer. Okay, after this, we're gonna send logs here to our index. In our index, we're gonna open the port 9997, the input.conf. It's the same configuration, guys. And we're gonna create an index. Okay, some recommendation: you have to open your port in the firewall. Okay, restart your Splunk and universal forward after every configuration. Okay, so hope guys you understand all of those concepts. I tried to simplify those things so you can understand simply how we can install. And here it's better than other things that I see in YouTube. So because this is what I do in real life environment. So hope you put like, subscribe, share the video, and see you next time.